Hello viewers, in the month of December there will be 3 sales on Flipkart.com and you will get discounts on tablets. The first deal that Flipkart will launch is Flipkart year-end sale. It will start on 9th of December and it will be continued till 16th of December. During this sale you will get discounts on various products like fashion, tech products and many other items. The next sale that will come on Flipkart.com is Flipkart Big Savings Day sale. Big Savings Day sale will start from 20th of December and continue till 26th of December 2025. The next sale is the most important sale and that sale will be Flipkart Christmas sale. Many people are looking to buy tablets during this period. Flipkart Christmas sale will be live on 22nd of December, but I think it will start earlier. In this Christmas sale, you will get discounts on electronic products, fashion products, home and kitchen appliances, and there will be bank offers on Federal Bank, PNB Bank and Axis Bank, and you will get 10% extra instant discount. So if you are planning to buy any tablet right now, don't buy any tablet right now, wait for these sales. Though the discounts will not be as good as Big Billion Days sale or Diwali sale, but yet you will get discounts during Christmas sale. And before buying any tablet, you must know the exact or the best price of each and every tablet. I have mentioned the best price of many tablets in my older videos, so do check out those videos. In my next video, I will talk about the deals that will come on Amazon.in, because Amazon also sells many products, many tablets that are not actually available in Flipkart.com, or though available you will not get discounts in Flipkart.com, so you have to buy those products from Amazon.in only. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you want to know the price of any tablet. Feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.